Hi, I am Amelia, and today I will be your host for Portmore Talent Show. Today we have talents like you have never seen before. And today we have Russ Oneilly. Now, before we get to Russ Oneilly, we're going to take a quick break, and when we get back, you get more of Russ Oneilly.
Now my day's so bright, open my eyes so wide. Now I realize I'm seeing a brighter day. Would you love me if I didn't have all of this? Would it touch me?
Welcome back, viewers. Welcome back. Now, the moment that you have all been waiting for. So today we speak to Russ Oneilly, but firstly, what is your correct name?
Neil Jones.
Neil Jones.
Yes.
Nice name. And where were you born and where did you grow up?
Originally from Kingston 12, but I grew up in St. Elizabeth, Lacovia. After I left school, I returned back to Kingston, but I didn't spend a day in Kingston. I came right to Portmore.
Great. And which school did you attend?
Lacovia Secondary.
Awesome. What event showed you that you had this talent?
I mean, when I used to go to school, I used to like sing and, my friends and beat this and so forth, but didn't really take it serious. I really and truly wanted to do electrician, but it was short-lived. You know what I mean? So I just decided that, hey, my friends them keep on saying, hey, you have talent, you can sing and so forth. So I used to like sing at my workplace, which is Shoppers Fair Supermarket in those times. You know what I mean? And from there, I mean, like every Christmas, like this time around, coming around now, I'll be like, singing for under Christmas Day, you know what I mean, for the whole entire staff. So from there, I decided to, hey, guess what? Yeah, this is the way to go. You know what I mean?
So you did say Shoppers Fair,
yes.
That being Portmore Shoppers Fair.
Yes.
And was this performance recorded?
No.
It wasn't?
No.
Okay.
I think in those times they didn't have like phone like these. No.
But no, we do have
yes.
phones, so we'll be recording all performances.
All performances.
Great. So apart from singing, though, what other talents do you have?
I think I can cook,
You think you can cook?
Yes.
What can you cook?
I mean, I normally like cook like fish, chicken, shrimp, these kind of vegetables. So like whenever time I cook, like especially on a Sunday, because on Sundays, I have my family, which is my kids, I'm over. So I would like put them up on live streaming, which is the Facebook and the Instagram, sometime on WhatsApp, So it was, it has been really and truly nice, because a lot of people will, compliment me and my cooking and, Yeah, it's just different, because you always have to have flavor to your thing, right? This is Jamaica, right?
Definitely. And I can definitely look forward in the future to see it up there with you having a show regarding you cooking.
Of course, why not? Of course, because I love cooking, I enjoy cooking.
Nice. So, do you have any music video or any recorded performance at the moment?
Yes. You can go on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook to see those recordings, performance. Yes, I do have a music video. I just recently did a launch for a music video. It's called Would You Love Me? It was a red carpet event.
Wow.
Yes, it was awesome. Awesome indeed.
And I can just imagine how you dress for that red carpet edition.
Can I tell you?
So I can look forward to that. Now, are you signed with a manager or a booking agent?
No, not currently. But I'm working with various producers, and I must say that, I'm working with Fire Royal, I'm working with Father Paul, which is We Paul from Stone Love. I'm doing some work with Uncle Sly as well, Sly and Robbie. right? Some and other producers, you know. So actually, I am. Who is my mentor is you know, Uncle Barris. Barris, yeah, right. So you know, sometimes I'm there. You know, even yesterday I was up there and things. So I mean, it was awesome. You
I
know,
look forward to
yes.
great things from you, being that you have such a nice mentor in your sector. I look
Yeah,
forward to that.
I mean, thank you so much. I appreciate
You're
that.
welcome.
Yes.
So, while in the music industry, though, what have you learned?
It comes with bitter and sweet. I must tell you, right? It's real and truly. It can be awesome, and it also can be real and truly frustrating because of the magnitude of the business itself, what it entails, what it brings to the table, what you should bring to the table as an individual. So it's real and truly a bitter and sweet experience, you know.
But the more you're out there, the more you learn, the more you put your best foot forward.
Of course, on an everyday basis, I mean, as time goes by, you learn how to articulate or you learn how to really and truly do things a little bit different from how you normally do it yesterday. You know what I mean? Because each time goes by, you keep on learning something different. You know what I mean? How to really and truly approach the business as well. Because over the years, I mean, I've been in this business for a little while now, and over the years, I've been learning new things, especially where the business is concerned. You know what I mean? So, I mean, it is good to be around people who has experience,
Great.
you know what I mean, and who can really and truly help you to the next, you know, level of your career.
Awesome. And with such a great mentor, the one and only Barry Salmon, with one of my favorite, right? How far would you want to carry your music career?
I mean, for me, I have no boundary.
No boundary.
No boundary whatsoever. For me, I just do music because I love music. You know, so, and I don't put a time span on my career. I don't.
Awesome.
Because music, I mean, I heard a saying that, you know, music don't sleep on no man's doorstep. Special, you know what I mean? So it's like, you don't know when, even though you may do a song now as an artist, and you say, yo, this song is the wickedest song. But when you take a stock, the song that you don't really like, that's the song that really and truly take you, right, take it to the next level. So, I mean, that's how music are, you know what I mean? So I just do whatever, because music is also a spirit, you know what I mean? So whatever the spirit led you to do where the music is concerned, that's where you know what I mean, the vibe will go, take you.
Awesome. And I love all positive thoughts that you put into it, and I must say thank you. So guys,
thank you so much.
You're welcome. We have come to the end of the interview segment of this episode of Portmore Talent Show. We are going for a short break, and when we return, you will get a taste of the one and only Oneilly.
Blessings.
Oh, you turn it upside down, gave you my love, and you smash it to the ground. Would you love me if I didn't have all of this? Would you touch me? Now would you see me if I didn't have all of this? Would you kiss me?
Welcome back, my people. And as you know, I'm Amelia with Portmore Talent Show. And as usual, we have the one and only, the big bad DJ 45. And today we're introducing the fresh Ras, which we're calling Ras Oneilly.
So give you thanks and I give you praise just to see another day. What love? I'm telling you right now, no food to eat,
praise to the Most High, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. I greet you all in the mighty name of Jah, Rastafari, ever living, ever shown, ever faithful. Blessed Lord. Next drop. Ooh, yeah. Stay. Said I wanted to stay, babe. Ooh, yes. All along it was a fever, baby. I cold sweat, I didn't believe her. Ooh. Throw my hands in the air and say, show me something. Ooh, yeah. She said, if you dare, come a little closer. It takes me all the way, so I want you to stay. Yeah. It's not much of a life you're living. Oh, it's not just something you take, it's given. Oh, round and around and around and around we go. Oh, nice. Oh, now, tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how you feel, baby. Said I wanted to stay, yeah. I wanted to stay there, stay there, stay there, yeah. Ooh, I needed to hold on. Ooh, 'cause I need this hold on. Funny you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving. 'Cause when you never look, I give thanks to be here, you know. Portmore Talent Show. It's a really and truly a great pleasure to be here. Next track.
Nowadays so bright, open my eyes so wide. Now I realize I'm seeing a brighter day. Would you love me if I didn't have all of this? Would it touch me? Would you see me if I didn't have all of this? Would it kiss me? So if I told you that to leave in the light, would it ask me why? All those crap that keep saying to me, just an alibi. This is my world. Oh, you turned it upside down, gave you my love, and you smashed it to the ground. But you love me.
You know that thing set up, right? Rastafari little ring. My people check this out, you know what I mean? New video is out there right now. Right? Will you love me? Vivo channel, yes? This is Oneilly.
Oh, yeah.
Father, look at myself, my brother.
Now would you love me if I didn't have all of this? Would it touch me? Would you see me if I didn't have all of this? Would it kiss me? Life feels so different when there is no one to hold ya. 'Cause every time I look at you, there is a feeling burning inside. Hold up.
Next track. You know what I mean? Get used to this one, my people. It's called Would You Love Me? You know? It's gonna be on all platform, all musical platform it's on right now. And then the video is on the Vivo channel. Saying Oneilly. Rasonelly. Where pony there? And somebody said she want to hear pony in the chat. I don't know. Right?
Say just like a bonnet, just like a bonnet, just like a bonnet. And so she write it. I'm not a broken heart, deserve a second chance. I've been messing the way, sadness on this bed, trying to spoil the blame, but baby not today. She write it, did she write it? She keep on writing. Oh, she write it, said just like a bonnet, just like a bonnet, just like a bonnet. I saw she write it. Oh, you touch my very soul. I love it when you lose control. I am your owner, yeah. Come on, print your name up on board my train and ride away your pain. Will you write it? Say you write it. Will you write it? Yeah. Will you write it? Say just like a bonnet,
Yeah, it's a great vibe, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Once again, it's a really and truly a pleasure to be here. Please check out my music video that I'm about to premiere right now on this channel. You know what I mean?
Portmore
Right?
Talent Show.
Portmore Talent Show. You know what I mean? Don't move. Check it out. This is Russell Neely. Remember to look for me on all musical platforms. My name is Russell Neely. RASONEILLY. Blessed love.
Oh, yeah. Now my day's so bright, open my eyes so wide. Now I realize I'm seeing a brighter day. Would you love me if I didn't have all of this? Would it touch me? Would you see me if I didn't have all of this? Would you kiss me? So if I told you that you're living a lie, would you ask me why? All those crap you keep saying to me, it's just an alibi. This is my world. Oh, you turn it upside down. Gave you my love, and you smash it to the ground. Would you love me if I didn't have all of this? Would you touch me? Now would you see me if I didn't have all of this? Would you kiss me? Life feels so different when there is no one to hold you. Oh gosh, 'cause every time I look at you, there is a feeling burning inside. I'm painting a picture, baby, in my mind. I thought your love was real and so divine. This life I live, I thought it was over because of you. So would you love me if I didn't have all of this? Would you touch me? Now would you see me if I didn't have all of this? Would you kiss me? Would you love me, baby? Oh, would you kiss me, baby? Oh, would you love me, baby? Would you kiss me, baby? If I didn't have anything, would you love me? Would you love me? If I didn't have anything, would you love me, baby? Kiss me, baby. Touch me, baby.